Hey Blossom University, it's your instructor Blossoming Jasmine, and today we're talking about repurposing your crystals. So I want to encourage any of the bedazzlers who have, been bedazzling for some years, or just who have projects that they're not going to use, that are just sitting around, and you have hundreds of dollars worth of crystals on these projects. You might as well, repurpose those stones. So that's what I'll be explaining in this tutorial. So I'm showing you my very first bedazzled outfit. And I think the first mistake that I made was I used the technique that I saw someone use on a shoe. So with much practice and time, I have definitely learned how to perfect my craft. So I decided to remove all of those stones that I had on that dress, and you can see that it was a lot of crystals, mainly in the sizes SS16, SS20, and SS12. But I removed those stones, and I actually have another outfit that I did about a year later, and you can see the difference in the quality. You can see that there's, you can't see the glue. It's really precise. My work is extremely neat. I actually sent this picture to the Crystal Ninja, and she said that my work was incredible when she saw this outfit. So this is the progress that you're probably going to see in your own work. So when you have older outfits, you don't need to hold on to them, especially if you're not going to, use it. So I think I may have this outfit in a black or a white. So if you would want this outfit, definitely contact me at info@blossoming.jasmine, and I might be able to recreate this look for you. I know for sure I have an extra in black, and the sizes are small. So I'm a size 2. I think if you're a size, between 2 to 6, you can fit this outfit. But if you have large chests, it's definitely not going to work. So this is the outfit that I recreated, and next up I'm going to show you what I did with all of those stones. So I decided with those stones that I had from the outfit, I was going to repurpose for a shoe. So I'm actually going to a gala, and I like to plan all of my projects out in advance. So I'm going to a gala, and I was just like, I hope all of these crystals cover my shoe, and it did. I think I used about 85% or at least 90% of the stones that were on that dress on this shoe. So that tells you, and I actually had to buy additional crystals because of the sizing. So that tells you that, if you put 8,000 crystals on a dress, it's going to look very different from, 8,000 crystals on a shoe. I almost ran out of crystals, if I was honest. So it looks different depending on, how you have the crystals on your item. If you're going to have gappings, if you're going to have spacings, however you purpose and place your stones. So I hope that this video has been very informative. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact me at info@blossoming.jasmine. There's a discussion tab where you can ask me questions. Definitely like this video if you like it. If you just want to let me know how you feel about the shoes, then I would love to hear your feedback. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me. And I hope that you guys have an amazing and phenomenal day. Additional videos will be out. So I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you'll find just a wealth of knowledge when it comes to bling. So once you subscribe, definitely remember to turn on your notifications, share this information with your friends, definitely interact with me. Like I said, comment, follow me on Instagram at Blossoming Jasmine, and definitely follow me on Instagram at Blossom University. Love you lots, Team Blossom. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.